Hello, my name is Derek, and today I'm going to teach you about mass and properties within SolidFace. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, I have created a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch tall cube within SolidFace. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate up to the top of the window and select Color and Material, the button that looks like a paint can. I'm going to select Material. And in this drop-down menu, if I click it, I can see a list of different materials that I can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and select, how about wrought iron? Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to navigate to the left side of the page and hit Extrude Boss 1, and I'm going to hit Enter. As you can see, the model changed color to represent the change in material. So now I've changed my material, I can scroll over here to the left side of the window again. And right here next to references, there is a button that says bodies. I'm going to click that, and it's going to bring up the amount of bodies I have on my screen. So right now I only have the one because I only made the one object. So if I click it and right click it and navigate down here, there's a button that says physical properties. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And right here in physical properties, I can see all the different properties that apply to my cube. So I can see it has a mass of 0.12193 pounds, area of 13.5 inches squared, and a volume of 3.375 inches cubed. I can also see the center of gravity in relation to x, y, and z coordinates. Now, what I can do from here is I can change my precision from maximum, average, or minimum. Go ahead and keep it at maximum. I can also change the unit by which it is measured. So I have grams in millimeters in metric, kilograms in centimeters in metric. I also have kilograms in meters in metric, and the two English measurements I have are pound and foot and pound and inch. I'm in pound and inch. I'm going to go ahead and change to gram millimeter, and as you can see, all of my measurements updated. Now my volume looks pretty big. It looks 55,306 millimeters, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to kilogram centimeter. A little bit more reasonable numbers, but now my mass is super low. So you can play around with whichever one you need to express. So I tend to use pound inches because most of my design work is in English standard units. You can also change different calculations if you have movements or by axes, which I don't have right now, but that will be covered in a later video. I'm going to hit the OK button, and there you have it. That is how you navigate to mass and properties within SolidFace. Thanks for watching.